On behalf of a grateful nation, but an even prouder people, we therefore present to you the designee for National Hero of Barbados, Ambassador Robin Rihanna Fenty. May you continue to shine like a diamond and bring honor to your nation by your words, by your actions, and to do credit wherever you shall go. God bless you, my dear.
Wow. Yes. So, well, I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so we can grow the family. You understand my daily? Up move. Yes, so what we just saw right there, ladies and gentle G's, was Rihanna becoming a national hero after they removed the Queen. Can we get a sound effect for Barbados? Bust all too blank for Barbados. Barbados wanna get it right. Wanna get it right. And people are gonna say, oh no, you know, what Rihanna do, she do a lot. She put her country on the map. Putting your country on the map is a big deal. You don't know how Rihanna affect politics in Barbados. You don't know Rihanna could be so powerful that she could negotiate deals in different countries and things like that. Rihanna right now is more powerful than that woman who just the president prime minister of Barbados right now. Right now. What is Jamaica waiting on? What is Jamaica waiting on to make Bob Marley somebody who put Jamaica on the map, contribute to Jamaica's visibility, even to this day, still outselling artists where just a boss, and you've been dead how much years now? And Barbados got it right. Rihanna is 33 years old. She's valued over $1.7 billion, the richest female entertainer in the world. Barbados recognized her worth, and with that, they made her a national hero after removing the Queen. But Jamaica still a hold on the Queen and blood clot Governor General for what? For what? I don't understand. Bob Marley, right now, Bob Marley is being used to promote Jamaica's tourism, but Rastafari get no love and respect in Jamaica to this day. And then them new Rasta right now make it even worse right now for the contributions that Rastafari put on and the persecution of Rasta face at the hands of Jamaican government politician. Yes, me say it. Check back the levels, Coral Gardens. Check back the levels, Coral Gardens, April 11th, 1963. Under the governance of Alexander Bustamante. Bustamante ordered a hit on Rastafari, and Alexander Bustamante is a national hero in Jamaica. For what? He is a murderer. That's crime against humanity. Bob Marley is not a national hero, but Alexander Bustamante, who ordered the hit on innocent Rastafari people just because them not live your life. Alexander Bustamante call a hit. Alexander Bustamante say, if him don't kill out Rastafari, may God blind him. God for blind him. This is people of your own country you deal with, sir. It's crazy. It is crazy. And you as a white man, you deal with black people, sir. Where with majority of the country. Because Rastafari are black people. You ordered a hit. That's a massacre. You say, if the blood clot jail not hold them, send them down a Bogil. And Bogil is a cemetery. So the man tell us, yo, if the jail cell them full, whosoever can hold that jail cell, kill them and send them go down a Bogil. Alexander Bustamante is no better than Leopold II of Belgium. Alexander Bustamante is not better than Cecil Rhodes. All right? He is not better than Hitler. And Alexander Bustamante is a national hero in Jamaica. But Bob Marley is not. But Barbados can make Rihanna, a 33-year-old, a billionaire, the richest female entertainer in the world, a national hero because they know her worth. And Jamaica still use Rastafari and Rastafari imagery for promote them tourism. Yeah, man. Everything is good, man. Yeah, Irie. Rastafari contribute to Jamaica's visibility like no other. Rastafari put Jamaica on the map, and I am here to debate with anybody who have anything to say against what I just said. Rastafari contributed to Jamaica's visibility like nothing else. Rastafari put Jamaica on the map, and Rastafari is still getting disrespected to this day. And as I said, the new Rasta them now make it no better. Because now deal with the worldly things now. Now step outside of Rastafari and gone some little dirty thing. Yeah, me used to try Rastafari, I understand me dealing. And because my sister think I water down out of respect, I go to my man trim me here because I say, I love Rastafari. But just like Christianity and every other thing, it have confinements for me now want to adhere to certain rules. So I'm not going to leave it alone out of respect. But the knowledge from gain over them 7 years there, it will never leave me. Rastafari teach you to love yourself. Rastafari teach you to love black man and black woman. Rastafari teach you to love your skin, love your ear. Even with your parents, them, you're not a ras. For them disrespect you about your ear. Your Jamaican parents, them don't like your ear because the dislike of you as a black man and black woman was passed down by these white criminals that took us from Africa and brought us on this side of the earth, and them teach us how to hate yourself. And Rastafari come and turn the thing, and Rastafari say, yo, love black man, love black woman, love your black skin, love your melanin, love your skin tone, love your ear texture, love yourself. Create reggae music and send Jamaica into the world. And Bob Marley is not a national hero to this day. To this day. When people are saying, raise the question, why not Bob Marley be a national hero? It would have come like say, a Vibes Cartel we are asked. Because Vibes Cartel, by the way, Gaza will say, for what's the team? Them are going like a Vibes Cartel where I say, yo, make Vibes Cartel a national hero right now. Come wine pon the body head, oh. Feel it in your belly. And that's what I ask you for. Jamaican Prime Minister is the biggest haters in Jamaica. Jamaican Prime Ministers are the biggest haters of the Jamaican people. Jamaican government is still perpetuating a white supremacist system that keep Jamaican people in a saggy position. People can't even wear locks, go to school. Certain schools you can't wear locks. Eh? In a Coral Garden, Bad Friday, Coral Garden massacre, Rastafari have to flee. Shave off all them head with glass buckle just for not get beat up. Because Alexander round up the man them have soldier and police beat the man them, so the man them cut off them ear with glass buckle. And that the government do to Jamaican people. Rastafari is Jamaican people. Barbados get it right and say, yo, Rihanna is going to be someone of power in this community. In this community, we want people of this community to have power in this community. Not some old dry up white lady when they over here for the longest while when I do nothing to nothing. Because she owe all of them blood clot country that where she and a little dirty cronies them go some now and colonize. She owe each and every country reparation. Jamaica, yeah, Jamaica, what is going on? How comes Rihanna, someone who is living right now, and Rihanna put Barbados on the map, even though Barbados was already a popular Caribbean country, but with her status, she put a lot more eyes on Barbados. Rihanna following on social media is more than the fucking population in Barbados. Of course, she's going to bring a lot of visibility to her country. So Barbados remove the queen and put someone from the community in power. Alexander Bustamante said, anyway, I say 2 or more Rasta, bring them in. Rasta man, and anybody who have not, if it, and some of the Rasta man them say, yo, all people who want a Rasta get locked up because a man got shave, and because them feel like the man just get a fresh trim and a fresh shave, them feel like it's a Rasta man I run from prosecution, so them bring all him in to say, if you have a new shave as a bald man, you go to prison and get beat up, because them thinks you're Rastafari. Jamaica is the biggest haters, Jamaican politician is the biggest haters of the Jamaican people. Yeah, well, I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. Let me know how you feel in the comment section. Congratulations to Rihanna. Mama, we totally love everything where we say. And, you know, I wish you nothing but the best, more success. My Caribbean sister, my black sister, my African sister, my Caribbean sister. Much love. Jamaican people, bless upon yourself. The others, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so we can grow the family. You understand? One Nation and Imara Nation.